Good morning everyone, welcome to another Vancouver vlog. Today is an even hotter day. Apparently it's going to be like 40 degrees, so that's gonna be fun. We have a family day, so I'm not too sure how much I'm actually going to be filming for this vlog, but we are going to explore before then, so I'm going to take you guys with us. We are thinking of exploring a little more of the East End aside from East Hastings. A lot of you guys recommended Gastown and Chinatown during the daytime specifically, not at night. We're gonna go scope that area out and just kind of like explore neighborhoods. Then after that, go to my family's, see where the day brings us. This is my outfit of the day. It is this dress that I got from Hello Molly about 2 years ago. Let's go explore Vancouver more. We are on our way to the Chinatown area right now. Where are we? We're on Georgia Street. We just walked down there eastbound for a little bit.
Georgia and Homer.
Georgia and Homer. Not feeling too good today, so if I seem a little bit off in the vlogs, that's why. I think I have a migraine, but I took a painkiller before it got like to the point of being a migraine. So now I just feel very like out of it. It's weird, I don't know, so don't mind that. I feel like I've been there before when I was a kid, but I don't quite remember it, but who knows? So cool. It's so hot, you guys. We're not making it today, so we just went to a Starbucks to get water, and we made it literally like 5 meters, and then are back in an ice cream place because we're dying. It's too hot today. This ice cream is so good, you guys. What was that place even called?
Ernest Ice Cream.
Ernest Ice Cream on Quebec Street.
And it is.
Yeah, wow, that's some of the best ice cream I think I've ever had. I'm not even hungry. So that's how you know it's true. So we're heat stroked. We're almost there, but I had to start to say this street reminds me of Japan meets Mexico style streets. Anyway, don't fall, we're almost there. We're almost there. We literally walked from like the waterfront all the way into Mount Pleasant today because like I asked him when we were like at the halfway point if you can't make it we can take an Uber, and he said no, and now you have your heat stroke face on. Me too. Wait, where do we go from there? Good morning everyone. It is another day in Vancouver. As I said yesterday, I didn't film much because for the most part we were with my family, my extended family, and it's not really a situation where you can film a bunch. We did go to the Chinatown, but like it was hard to film there because I'm gonna be real, pretty much everything was closed down, which I feel like is in part due to the pandemic because that is a big tourist area. So mostly everything was barred up and closed down, and the streets were empty aside for homeless people, which was not something you should be filming, not only for your own safety but for their privacy and whatnot. So I got a couple of clips there of the like 2 stores that were open that we saw that didn't have any active homeless around there. It's just kind of like a little bit sad because the reality of that area right now is that like a lot of stuff is closed down because there's no tourists coming in from overseas. What is left there is the homeless. I didn't film too much of that. Then probably by the time we were like through Chinatown, we were already heat stroked. So by the time we got to my family's, we were dead. And I'm not too sure if anyone understands or would know. We are apparently in a historical heat wave in Vancouver. Like it never gets this hot. And I think in Fahrenheit for my Americans, and my relatives was saying it's been like 100 Fahrenheit here, which is like 40, feels like 40 degrees Celsius, which is crazy hot. And there's been like no wind. And to my surprise, apparently like Vancouver, a lot of people don't own aircon. So it's terrible. So the whole time we were at my family's, they don't have aircon either, so we were just dying. I was like sitting on the couch with like a cold like wet towel around my neck. I had such a killer heat stroke headache. Like it was rough. Anyway, today I am really exhausted from this heat and a little bit sleep deprived. I haven't been sleeping too great because obviously change of routine. I'm not in my bed. We're in a hotel, so you just don't really sleep that easy. Today we're gonna go and check out a little bit of the Richmond area, which is kind of a district outside of the Vancouver core. If I was to relate it to anything like Toronto, I would probably say it would be the same as going to like Etobicoke maybe, or something like that, maybe even like North York. So it's supposed to be a really like Asian influenced area, so we're gonna go check out the mall there, see if we can escape the heat a little bit, do a little bit of shopping, maybe get some food, and just kind of scope it out also for living purposes, because when we were looking at apartments for renting, just for curiosity's sake, just to tickle our fancy, humor our interests, a lot of the apartments there are more cost friendly for quality. So downtown core of Vancouver, as a lot of people know who are locals, is extremely expensive for what you get. And as you guys know, the apartment we have in Toronto is very nice. And if we did, say for example, move here at the end of our lease in Toronto, which would be like December, I wouldn't necessarily want to lower my quality of life home wise. And we do require a lot of space as we're 2 adults that work from home. So I think like for our budget and for cost, if we did want to move here, we would probably have to look, I think, west side, South Van, and then Richmond area. Who knows what will happen, but I figured we would go check it out anyway, go to the mall, see what it's all about. There's also a lot of like Buddhist temples and temples in general there, which is really, really cool. So that's what we're up to today, and then we're gonna hang out with my sister in the late afternoon. But right now I'm just gonna finish getting ready. We're gonna try to find maybe some lunch in downtown Vancouver, or maybe we'll get lunch in Richmond, and I'll take you guys for the ride. Sorry if I'm a little low energy today. Like literally the heat stroke is going to be instant as soon as we step out there. It's insane. So yeah. Have to BiiBiiBap off. We are at Spanish Beach right now, which is very beautiful. We are here at the after hours though, because it was way too hot today to do anything. So you guys didn't miss anything but me sleeping on the floor, laying on the floor, and not even speaking. It was way too hot. This heat wave is insane, but this is insane. Hello everyone, it's another day in Vancouver. Yesterday ended up being another almost complete family day, hence the lack of footage. But today we're probably not going to see my family, so probably going to be more footage. Right now we're going to walk to Gastown because my cousin suggested going there for like cafes and little shops. That is currently where we're on the way to, so come along with us. Look at that, like it's just airplanes on the water casually chilling, just no problem. I should have brought sunglasses today. I'm blinded. This is nice that there's like nobody here. Are really sensitive today. Such a beautiful city. It's so quiet even though it's like probably what, 12 now?
It is noon, yes.
Yeah. We're just stopping in at Water Street Cafe to get some lunch. I was just saying to HoneyBii that this area looks a lot like the St. Lawrence area, but like better, like cleaner, bigger, nicer. Just deciding what we're gonna get from the Water Street Cafe, and their brunch menu sounds absolutely amazing. There's so many good options, but I'm probably gonna get the crab cake eggs benedict because that sounds great, and a mimosa. See what happens. But this is such a cute area. How did we completely missed this last time and just went straight down East Hastings? Like this is literally the block down, and we but yeah, no, it's cool. And the clock, I didn't catch it, but the clock.
Our menu blew away, but I think
I can get it. Oh, did it? Oh, thank you.
Thank you. You know what you want? Then the crabs.
Yeah, I know what I want when she's available.
Yeah.
But yes, that was pretty cute how it goes, like it tells the hour or the half hour with like a horn with steam coming out of it. I don't know, that was aesthetic. Oh, it looks amazing. Smells yummy. That was really fast. A lot of interesting bread. Is it like a focaccia?
I don't know. Not a clue. Every 15 minutes. You know, I have no idea what kind of eggs I like. So it's nice that you're here.
Oh, great, thank you.
Thank you.
I think one thing I was saying to Honey Boy earlier last night, I think, is that like I miss having my hard-boiled eggs every morning, so it's nice to finally get some egg. We probably made it
100 meters.
We probably walked 10 additional minutes and we're dying, and I saw 𝐔𝐿𝐋𝐿 and I was like, we need bubble tea. So we got a jumbo taro smoothie. So good. We've made it to Yaletown now along the waterfront, and we're dead at this point. Maybe after this we'll just go back to the hotel. It's too hot to do anything in this city right now. So this is, I can't remember if I mentioned it, but apparently it's a historical heat wave here. Like we're breaking records for how hot it's ever been in this city, or this whole side of the West Coast, like northern West Coast. That's great. It's made it hard to explore as much as I probably would have liked to. We still are doing stuff, but like it's kind of like half energy levels. Anyway, but the purpose of coming to Yaletown is kind of again to scope out like what the neighborhoods are like, and I think I do like Yaletown a lot. It kind of is reminding me of maybe like West End waterfront in Toronto, but like obviously way better. way nicer, cleaner, quieter, less chaotic. Really, really nice. I'm enjoying it, but man, I'm dead. We went home and took a nap, and now we've ended up at Korean barbecue because we probably haven't been able to get Korean barbecue for 2 years now, so it's so nice to finally have that option. So we are at Miss Korea on Jervis Street, West End, Vancouver. That is it for today's vlog. Day in the life in Vancouver, even though it ended up becoming like a multi-day in the life because so much family time. It's been insane. There's actually a solid chance we might do another family day, but I don't know. I'm just like so tired. Tomorrow's our last day in Vancouver, but I don't think I'm gonna film it. There's a chance like it's just gonna be so low energy, and I don't want to keep like accidentally doing like the multi-day vlogs because the new whole vlogging style is supposed to be a day in the life, but it's just been so unpredictable. So I think we're gonna end the Vancouver series here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, subscribe to see more vlogs like these, but in Toronto, not traveling as much. And like this video if you enjoyed it. Anyway, I will catch you guys next week. Bye!